Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing to you how you can download and install Node.js and Windows. Let's start first. Node.js is a runtime environment for JavaScript. First open your favorite browser and search for Node.js. First open this, the first link, nodejs.org. When you get this page, select download button, and now here select 64-bit Windows, your operating system, and I want current or not current. I want the latest version. Click on download Node.js. Node.js installer, install it, download it. Sorry. Now I want to install this installer. Click and run. Preparing it to install. Please wait while this step was prepared. Click on next. Select I accept the tutorial lessons. Now select or change path. Click on next. Automatically install the necessary tools. Okay. Click on next. Click on install. Please wait where this step wizard install Node.js. Select finish button and just press enter. Now right here node minus v, click on yes. Windows PowerShell will install the necessary tools. Administrator Windows PowerShell. Okay, now come on and search for cmd command prompt. Open command prompt and just write here node minus v. This means node version. Okay, we have this version of Node.js. Just right click Node. Welcome to type help for more information. I want to create one variable const equal 10 plus 20. We got that. Node now working in my Windows. Thank you for watching.